Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nora Shifasila, and today I will explain about language assessment and testing about our topic. So first, what is language assessment? Language assessment means we collect information and make a judgment about someone language ability. So in simple word, it means we check how well someone can use language, like the speaking, writing, reading, and listening. Assessment is not only about exam, it can also about teacher observation, student work, and our self-check. So yeah. And then the next is what is language testing. So language testing is a part of assessment. Testing is usually more formally and used in exams and gives score. Yeah, so assessment is the bigger, while the testing is just one part. And then let's talk about purpose of assessment. So there are three main purposes of assessment. The first is to help learning. To give result and to show achievement. To help learning, it means like assessment helps students know their strength and weakness. And then to give result is like give grades or certificate, while show achievement it's to school, for example, like the school and or government. And then there are two types of tests. The first is proficiency test and achievement test. So proficiency test, it's mean like check general language ability, and achievement test is like check what student learn in the class, or like what student learn in language. Also we have high stake test and low stake test. High stake test is like it's very important, like a big exam, while low stake test is not too important, but it's like quiz. For example, it's like a quiz. The high is for like a big exam, while the low is like quiz. And then we talk about the important concept. So important concept, the first is construct. Construct means when it means what we want to measure. For example, like speaking skill or grammar. And then the second is test method. This means how the test is made. How the test is made. For example, like multiple choice, essay, or speaking test. Like our exam usually. The third is performs and score. So student do a test, it's performs. Teachers give score, is the result. So we use the score to understand our ability. Next, it's about validity and reliability. Reliability. Validity is means does does the test measure the right thing? It means how we use how we use and understand the score. While the reliability means is the test consistent. Yeah, it's like if the student take the test again, the results should be similar or more high. And modern assessment. So modern assessment, we also use alternative assessment like observation, portfolio, and self-assessment. So observation is like teacher watch student. Portfolio is like collection of student work. Self-assessment is like student check themselves, check them ability. This help learning more. And also there's another important idea is like washback. So washback is like mean the effect of test on learning. Yeah, the effect of test of learning. So there are negative, there are positive. Yeah, there are negative, there are positive. Yeah, the negative is like student only study for the test. The positive is student learn useful skill. Yeah, like student not only study for the test, they learn for make their skill more good or more high. Yeah, I think that's. And then so I think language assessment is not only about the exam, it's about understanding student ability, because good assessment should be fair, useful, and help in learning. Yeah, I think that's all I can explain about our material is language assessment and testing. If I have a mistake, I'm sorry. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.